Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by preparing both the Indy ANC and your phone. Make sure case and buds are charged above 50% so pairing isn't interrupted. Open the case, then press and hold the case button for about 3 to 5 seconds until LEDs flash. This signals pairing mode. Once you see the flashing light, go to your device's Bluetooth menu and look for Skullcandy Indy ANC. Tap it to connect. You need a steady Bluetooth signal, so stay within 3 meters and avoid metal obstructions while completing this step. Once you tap the Skullcandy entry, your device negotiates profiles. Wait for both a 2DP music and HFP calls to appear as connected. You may be prompted to allow permissions, accept them so the earbuds work fully. Next, verify ANC is active. Use the earbuds touch controls or open the Skullcandy app to toggle noise cancellation and adjust EQ. Make sure media plays and call audio routes to the buds. If one bud fails, close and reopen the case to re-trigger reconnection. To finish, test by playing music and making a short call so you confirm stereo sound and microphone function. If audio is missing or ANC behaves oddly, perform a factory reset. Place both earbuds in the case and hold the case button for about 10 seconds until LEDs flash differently, then repair. Once reconnected, check the Skullcandy app for firmware updates. Updating often fixes bugs. If problems persist, try pairing with a second device to isolate whether the issue is the buds or the original device.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.